We've been here in Klahanie a long time.
We'll be here tomorrow too. At Klahanie Chevron Service Center, we service all of your car's needs.
So you're buying a used car. It doesn't matter whether you're buying from a dealer or from a private owner, you have questions about the car's mechanical safety and dependability. That's where we come in. You can bring us the car you want to purchase, and we can give it our pre-purchase inspection, also known as a PPI. It's common to get emotionally attached to a car you want to buy before you buy it, but don't. Not before you have it inspected. A PPI can save you a lot of money, time, and headache. No matter how savvy you are about cars, you can't give it the proper oversight without the time, equipment, and expertise provided by a qualified auto technician. According to jdpower.com, the cost of the inspection generally determines the depth and detail of that inspection. A basic inspection will be mostly visual, which includes putting the car on a hydraulic lift and checking for leaks or broken components. A more involved inspection will include a detailed road test, where components such as steering and brakes can be assessed. A thorough inspection will include checking engine compression and a computer engine analysis. You can expect to pay between $100 and $200. That's a small price when you find the car you've fallen in love with needs $1,000 in repairs that you didn't previously know about.
Klahanie Service Center is located in Klahanie QFC Shopping Center. We're open 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Our ASE Master Certified technicians are present Monday through Saturday. Call or just come in to set up a repair or maintenance appointment.
And you don't need to take our word for it. Read our reviews on Google, Yelp, and Facebook. We're nearly all 5 stars.
Also, visit our website at KlahanieServiceCenter.com. We'll see you soon.